Joining me here in the Hamptons to discuss the payment space more broadly, and specifically, Shift4 is the CEO and founder of that company, Jared Isaacman. Jared, it's great to have you on.
Thanks for having me, Morgan.
I mean, those stock charts don't look so good, but Shift4 had earnings recently, and you beat and raised.
We did. We beat and raised across the board, and we still traded down. So this is certainly not a great earnings cycle for fintechs. We seem to ride a roller coaster like this every now and then, but Adyen happens to be an extraordinary business. They power a lot of great. We aspire to be like them in a lot of ways. So it's a good company. I have no doubt they'll bounce back from this.
Yeah. Do you compete directly with them?
In our ever-expanding global e-commerce market, we are aspiring to compete with them, I'd say. What we're known for is like all the great in-venue experiences. So a third of the restaurants, a third of the hotels, most of the major stadiums, whether you're into soccer, baseball, NFL, those are all our type of customers. But recently we have begun to diversify and move into card not present on a much more global level. And in that arena, Adyen's king.
Yeah. So let's talk a little bit about what you are seeing across the businesses. Restaurants, as you mentioned, tends to be a big area, a big industry for you, and you're certainly taking a bite out of some of the other rivals when it comes to point-of-sale systems when you think about fees with the likes of Toast.
Well, for sure. I mean, we grew payment volume 60% year over year this past quarter. So you definitely tell like our growth is largely a factor of taking share from the competition. Toast in the restaurant vertical happens to be an awesome competitor. We're both actually winning a ton of share if you looked at their results. We both benefit from a lot of legacy acquirers, a lot of legacy payment companies with older tech. And as those customers migrate to more cloud-based solutions, actually Toast and Shift4 both happen to win quite a lot.
So what are you seeing? Since you are keyed into the services part of the economy, particularly here in the U.S., when you talk about leisure and hospitality or airlines or restaurants or some of these other venues, what are you seeing in terms of the data around payments processing?
So we've been paying very close attention for a while. I mean, we touch almost $250 billion in payment volume every year. And again, largely in restaurants and hotels. And I have to say, probably more than a year ago, we started to, sound a little bit of the alarm that, hey, prices have gone up a lot in restaurants. There's a lot of inflation here. We don't know if, the $90 steaks are going to last forever. And what's happened is you have a pretty resilient consumer that probably says, I didn't like being locked up during the pandemic, and I'm going to keep going out and eating. Now, what we have seen is a slowing of some of the same-store sales growth that you've seen in the restaurant vertical. It's generally, I'd say, flat to up, meaning, kind of flat in more of the rural markets, and then the destination markets are still up. And travel, too, even in hotels. We would have thought for sure that would have leveled off with the inflation in average room rates that we saw in hotels the last couple of years. You still have same-store sale growth even within the hotel vertical, so that's still strong.
Yeah. Can you parse through that data and be able to tell whether disinflation is actually taking root despite the demand situation, or no?
I'd say it's slowing. And if you want to point to kind of, rural Main Street markets, which was always an area that we had a little concern, for sure. There was at one point during the pandemic where even, kind of motels near national parks had triple the room rate. That's not happening anymore. So, but if you're going down to Florida, you're going to Las Vegas, you're going to some of the destination markets, restaurants, hotels, still doing very strong. Even, like I said, you're even getting same-store sales growth within those markets. But certain parts of, Main Street America, I'd say flat to could be down in some rural areas. All
right, so what's next for Shift4? Because I know you're closing on Finaro. You mentioned the international expansion. How does all of this take shape?
It really is. It's TAM expansion. It's expanding all across the world. I mean, we've been in business 24 years, and we've grown year over year, and even through every downturn in the most challenging and competitive payments market in the world, which is the United States. So if you got a winning formula here for restaurants, hotels, and stadiums, there happen to be a lot of restaurants, hotels, and stadiums all over the world. Finaro takes us into Europe. That's the first step along an international expansion journey.